what's up guys, it's Sal here, and this is my unboxing of the Nokia 8.1. Now the Nokia 8.1 was released in December last year and it's been 2 months since. It's also known as the Nokia X7 in China and it's one of the first devices to come with Android 9.0 right out of the box. It's got a notch, it's got a chin, it's got glass in front and the back, and it's got aluminium on the sides. And what else differentiates this device? Well, that's what I want to find out in this video. Also guys, I'll leave a link in the description to get this phone on Jumia, and I'm excited to see what we have in the box right here. Without further ado, let's get to the video. The Nokia 8.1 comes in the same style of package that most of the recent Nokia phones come with now, and on the back you get a readout of some of Nokia's most prominent specs, what they want you to know about especially. And you have the 20 megapixel front camera, the 12 plus 30 megapixel dual rear cameras with Zeiss optics and the Snapdragon 710, 2-day battery life, and a host of other features. Cutting the small seals of the box were greater with the phone itself on the right, which we'll get to later on. Underneath that is where we have the cardboard separating the phone and holding the same ejector tool in place, and underneath all of that is where we have the get started guide, which also holds the product and safety documents, which is short and I highly recommend you should read. The box to the left houses the wall adapter for charging, the charging and transfer cable, which is USB-C, which is nice, and we have the headphones. So that's it for what's in the box, and now we'll get to the phone itself. Taking the wrap off the Nokia 8.1, we'll see the glass back and front with the aluminium sides, and I must say that this phone feels very sturdy in the hand. It took less than a minute to boot and set up, and from there we're greeted with the Android 9.0 stock interface on that crisp 6.18-inch LCD panel. On the right side of the phone is where we have the power and volume keys, and on top is where we have the headphone jack and microphone. On the left side we have the hybrid SIM slot for either a nano SIM and an SD card, or a dual nano SIM setup. On the bottom we have another microphone port, the USB-C transfer and charging port, thumbs up for that, and the speaker, which is only one right here. Up front we have the 20 megapixel f2.0 front camera, the earpiece and the proximity sensor, and looking down we have the Nokia branding right on the chin, which isn't too big, I can live with that. And on the back is where we have the dual 12 plus 30 megapixel f1.8 cameras with Zeiss optics and optical image stabilization, the flash and the fingerprint reader. The Nokia 8.1 has a display resolution of 1080 by 2280p, and it's a 19:9 aspect ratio display with a PPI of 408, which is nice. It's 6.18 inches and it looks really appealing. Video playback on the Nokia 8.1 is also good. You can watch 1080p videos on YouTube, but I don't think you can watch more than that. And when you're watching videos or playing a game, because it's a single speaker on the back, you can accidentally block it, and I wish it was kind of a stereo speaker setup, but you know, it's not really a deal breaker. It's just that you can accidentally block the single speakers. The speaker is single. Okay, moving on to the specs of the Nokia 8.1. The device comes with Android 9.0 as I mentioned earlier. You've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor with Adreno 616, and my model here comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, which is expandable. And I even got a security patch update for 2019. It's just been 2 months, and that's one of the benefits of being on the Android One platform as well. You've got a 3500 mAh battery, which is quite good, and for standby time at 25%, the phone says I could still get 12 hours of battery, you know, on standby, which is actually very impressive. And what makes the Nokia 8.1 even better is that it comes with a fast charger right out of the box. As far as camera modes on the Nokia 8.1, for the back camera we have the square mode, panorama mode, live bokeh mode, pro mode, which you can also get to by swiping up in any of the modes, swiping up again to reset, swipe down to clear, and swiping down again to go to the previous mode which you were in. Moving on, we have the photo mode, video mode, slow motion, and time-lapse mode. Also, speaking of the back camera, we have Google Lens as well. Now switching to the front camera, we have the square mode, bokeh mode, pro mode, which also works with the swipe up and down gestures again, photo mode, video mode, and time-lapse mode. I tested the Nokia 8.1 with the 10S Max, and for portrait mode for the back camera, we can see how sharp both of them are and how blurry the backgrounds are as well. I put Nokia on the highest setting of bokeh mode, and I put the iPhone in the default setting. And as far as camera quality generally, Nokia really does a good job in this department. You can get some interesting shots out of the Nokia if you know what you're looking for. And the front camera of the Nokia is 20 megapixels, while that of the iPhone 10s Max is 7 megapixels. Of course, we're going to get a bigger image from Nokia even in portrait mode, but they seem quite different in some ways. You guys let me know what you think about the picture quality of both these devices in the comment section down below. Which one is better, or can they even be comparable? Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it for my quick review and unboxing of the Nokia 8.1. The Nokia 8.1 is actually very sturdy, feels very premium and sturdy in the hand, and I really want to spend some more time with this device. Like I said in my previous video, I was considering a new Android daily driver, and I put my phone in the Nokia 8.1, so this will be my Android daily driver moving forward in the coming weeks. So let me know what you guys want to see in a more in-depth video of the Nokia 8.1. Maybe you want me to test the optical image stabilization that Nokia has on this guy. Maybe you want me to check more about the video quality, video playback quality, or maybe get some benchmarks or some specifications, some extra things. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be there in the comment section chatting with you guys. Thank you again for getting up to this point in the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also share this video if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to get more videos coming forward. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.